We're really providing a choice or an opportunity.
The opportunity to see themselves in a different light.
You can really see people's outlook changing.
The path to needed services and treatment can start by being cited for an offense related to homelessness, such as unlawful camping or storage of property.
People are cited directly into community court for certain offenses, and instead of having their first appearance be in district court, their first appearance is actually right here in community court.
Community court is a collaborative effort of the City of Vancouver, Clark County, law enforcement, public defenders, and local service providers.
Homelessness is one of the most complicated problems that the city has ever tried to address because there's so many different variables that can lead somebody to being homeless in the first place. Loss of a job, serious medical issues, addiction or behavioral health issues.
Community court is a therapeutic specialty court similar to drug court or veterans court that offers treatment and recovery services to an individual's underlying barriers and issues.
I appoint them counsel, they talk to their attorney, and then they do what's called an assessment, a needs assessment. We arrange a service plan based on that assessment and based on other inputs as well. They have a contract they sign to complete those services.
The City of Vancouver provides the space for community court. The city's Homeless Assistance and Resource Team, or HART, are an integral partner in community court.
We respond to pretty much any concern or complaint about homelessness within the city limits. By their role of constantly engaging with the different folks that are outside, they know a little bit of their personal story, their individual barriers or issues that they may have that's keeping them in homelessness.
I give the background on the people that are coming into community court, so the court has an updated, accurate picture of what they're dealing with.
Do you want to go into a tiny home?
While individuals are following through on their service plan contract, the partners in community court are working together for the success of the participants.
I think what makes us unique among other community courts, every Friday at noon we have staffing where we basically all sit around and talk about each participant and how they're doing and what things they need or what they need to do or what they haven't done. And we actually have the service providers involved in that conversation, and that creates a lot of synergy.
Participants attend community court as needed to discuss progress and next steps.
And we know that it's going to take more than one contact for many people to break down those barriers. Overwhelmingly, the program has been a success based on the fact that our dockets are filled with participants.
Accountability and restitution is another part of the process to fulfilling a community court contract.
When it began, one of the commitments was that there would still be some consequences for whatever the violation. It's not fine-based, it's time-based.
Without help and encouragement that I got, and if it wasn't for the team and even community court, that is, I really don't think I would have made it.
Once a participant successfully completes their contract, the city prosecutor dismisses the case and the individual graduates. Community court meets every Friday from 1 to 4 p.m. and service providers are available to anyone with questions or to get help.
We've seen people go to detox, we've seen people enter shelter and become more stable and are much further along as far as thriving in life today than they were even 6 months or a year ago. And it really did start with an officer at some point citing them into this court.
For more information about community court, visit cityofvancouver.us/communitycourt.